The BD Veritor System for rapid detection of flu A plus B is a CLIA-waived rapid diagnostic test that delivers accurate, reliable results that are more definitive than visual interpretation. The reader features a digital display window that provides an objective, easy-to-read positive or negative result. Here, we will follow the process for the flu A plus B test. The process begins with a properly collected sample. Samples should be collected as soon as possible after onset of illness and tested immediately. For a review of proper sample collection technique, view the sample collection tutorials. Let's review the components you will need for testing. The BD Veritor system is enabled by the compact BD Veritor System reader, which incorporates adaptive read technology and a simple one-button operation. The reader performs a self-check to verify it is functioning correctly each time it is powered on. It features a clear digital display and is very lightweight and conveniently transportable. For your convenience, BD has included flocked mini-tip swabs that can be used for either nasal or nasopharyngeal specimen collection. Flocked swabs are supplied by BD because of their superior ability to collect and release sample material. You will need one unitized processing tube with yellow cap. Each tube contains the correct quantity of processing reagent, which lyses the virus and releases the influenza antigen. This unique tube allows for streamlined sample processing and simple transfer to the BD Veritor System test device. You will also need one BD Veritor System Flu A plus B test device, which in combination with the BD Veritor System reader enables BD's unique adaptive read technology. Now let's walk through how to use the BD Veritor system. First, label the unitized tube and the BD Veritor System test device for the specimen to be tested. Place the labeled unitized tube or tubes in the designated area of your workstation or rack until you are ready to process the sample. After obtaining the proper nasopharyngeal or nasal swab specimen, securely hold the tube in one hand while twisting and pulling straight up with the other hand to remove the cap. Fully insert the swab into the unitized tube, ensuring that it is immersed in the liquid process reagent, and swirl it along the inside wall 3 times to release the specimen. Remove the swab while squeezing the middle of the tube to capture the optimum amount of sample in the processing tube. Snap fit the tip onto the unitized tube containing the processed specimen. Threading or twisting is not required. Invert the tube and hold it vertically, approximately 1 inch above the sample well of the test device. The sample well is the small well next to the teardrop mark. Squeeze gently on the half of the tube furthest away from the tip, dispensing 3 drops of the specimen into the sample well of the properly labeled Flu A plus B test device. Ensure that full drops are released, not partial drops with bubbles. Note that squeezing the tube too close to the tip may cause the tip to eject and the contents to leak from the tube. After adding the sample, wait 10 minutes for test completion. After the test has run for 10 minutes, power on the BD Veritor System reader. Immediately after powering on, the reader will perform a self-check to verify its operation. When prompted, insert the Flu A plus B test device into the slot on the right side of the reader. The system's unique keyed feature assures that the test device can only be inserted the correct way. Follow the easy-to-read prompts displayed on the reader screen to complete the procedure and obtain your test result. Using adaptive read technology, the BD Veritor system interprets each patient's sample uniquely and individually, minimizing many sample-related effects that can contribute to false results. This unique capability gives you an answer you can trust. Test results are objective and digitally displayed to eliminate user interpretation errors. This gives providers valuable information that contributes to their ability to make definitive treatment decisions while the patient is present. Here are some things to remember before conducting a test. First, ensure that reagents, specimens, and test devices are at room temperature for testing. Use the unitized processing tube and tip provided. Do not use tubes or tips from any other product, including those from BD or other manufacturers. The BD Veritor system is configured to read additional assays as BD expands the test menu. The BD Veritor system gives you confidence in your test results.